काजल यो काजल 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 यो यो
ब्यूटी ग्रेस सब कुछ इनके खून में है. Okay, the superstar of India. Huge round of applause, ladies and your very own director, who's the force behind this film, Dr. Uday Salunke, sir. Please. Thank you. And so let's start with Kush. Kush, moving on to Apar Shakti, I'm sure your performance, like always, is going to be appreciated, loved, and you've done a great job. How was it playing this character? Probably when you were approached for the role, because it's not a very positive character, and a lot of actors are like, you know, in a cost film, I want to be the hero at the end of it all. Okay, but you've added your flavor and your spice to the character. So how was the experience?
Starting with, yeah, I don't come from that mindset that I have to be the hero of any kind of work I, be a part of. The very reason I took 7-8 years in Delhi to come to Bombay, it was not a, a proper hunky-dory Star Brother entry to this field. Whatever came my way, I just picked it up, and God was kind enough to give me good work with happy people, nice people, positive people. Talking about this film, the very first day when we met, we were on the same page. I think luckily that was the best part about putting everything together. The way they told me that this is what you're supposed to do. Not that I'm this loud Punjabi in real life, but yeah, I tried to copy what he was saying, what the writer was saying, and then of course, then you see a good-looking girl and you try to show off. That just came naturally. So yeah.
So actually, that was my next question. You've been a Delhi boy, and I'm sure, even though you claim not to be that loud Punjabi, you've had any friends whom you've taken inspiration from to play?
I would, of course, not want to name them. Never. Not an app day for sure. But of course, North is full of interesting characters. So luckily, I have people around me who are. I would not say loud. I would not say interesting is a nice word. But at the same time, it's just that how sometimes we are brought up in the North. One of the line is there, right? Living larger than life Bollywood style. Bollywood style, so thoda, I think they all want to go on a I come from Chandigarh actually, not even Delhi. So there's a gaiety route. They just want to be in a big car and just roam around without any reason. Not that I have done that, but of course I know how it happens. So thankfully I have seen such characters. So maybe it was easier for me to then pull it off.
Great.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes, please.
No, I'm not going to say anything bad about you. Don't get so frightened the minute I get the mic in my hand. Hi guys. So, well, I'd like to add a little bit to what Apar just said. I agree that, yeah, well, there are interesting characters, but we have exaggerated for effect, and at the end of the day, this is just a stereotype. So, please, nobody should get offended by anything that's been projected in the course of this film.
Okay. So Kajal, you can keep the mic, because my next question is to you. Let me first, before I ask the question, I think you being in the film itself, okay, has taken the film to another level. Okay, your stardom, your passion, your commitment, and I'm sure the reach that you had, because your popularity pan-India, not just North, but North, West, East, South, because you've done cinema in practically all languages. Okay, is I'm sure going to be a huge asset, and it'll help, as Doctor was saying rightly as well, it'll help spread the message of the film. So thank you very much for being a part of this.
Thank you so much. I really hope that was the intention, and I really hope it does.
Right. So let me start off with a fun question for you. If you actually came across a guy like this on a blind date, what would you do?
So I don't play a stereotype, guys. I mean, I play majority of how girls are. Aren't most of us like that, girls? Right. So I do exactly what I did on screen.
You do exactly that. Okay. Now, my next question to you is on a slightly serious note. How important is it for actors to be a part of social causes? Do you necessarily have to believe in them? Or what do you do in your own bit to spread the message of social causes? And especially superstars like you.
I won't be able to generalize, but I can only speak of myself. I strongly believe in associating with causes that I believe in. I mean, it always helps if you believe in it because you'll be more passionate about it. And I believe that yes, we should. I mean, I personally want to try and influence in the best possible manner, especially for all the little followers that I have. And anything that can make a difference, anything that we receive so much love, adulation, appreciation, so much of it that it kind of becomes our social responsibility to give back and to want to influence people who follow us so dearly, who encourage us every single day of our lives. I mean, we are here because you guys are here. And it's just a responsibility to kind of influence people in the right way, in the best way possible.
Well spoken, Kaushal. Thank you very much. Last but certainly not the least, Dr. Salunkhe, sir.
Acting, you will be doing social work and contributing to society. आप लोगों ने ऐसा सोचा कि विकी डोनर बने अब ब्लड डोनर
First thing okay, yeah, of course. I mean, yeah, of course. As long. Thank you so much, Kaushal, for rescuing me again. पहले भी politically correct answer ने कर दिया suddenly. So yeah, of course. As long as I'm, we both are contributing towards the society. I think that's of course perfect. And
ये तो politically correct हो गया जो असली है वो बोलिए
नहीं यार यही है और इससे सच बात क्या बोलूँ मेरी आंखों में सच्चाई नजर नहीं आ रही
करीब आप देखिए
ऐसे यहाँ का खुराफाती इंसान ये है इनको जानबूझ के लाया गया हम मसाला क्रिएट कर रहे हैं but thank you so much brother thank God we're not at a roast this thing yet but thank you so much for the awesome question but yeah we've been doing a bit to give it back to the society not only on the nation front me and my wife were running come and learn English and Hindi from my wife and learn music and co-curricular activities from me. So we were doing this every summer for 3 years back to back. Now that I've shifted to Bombay, I'll try to continue it here, but I'm very new to this city.
For you to ask them, to grill them about questions, please.
इतनी एकदम से जोर से तालियां हमारे लिए भी नहीं बजी जो सभी लोग गौरव के लिए बजी Dude, you are the real star. Congratulations, you're right. Let's go.
Ma'am, my question is for you. Ma'am, you have done movies in multi-languages, and ma'am, what was the biggest challenge you faced? Or you know every language you have done movies, or what was the biggest challenge for you in doing multi-language movies?
May I know your name, please?
I'm Gaurav Bhattacharya.
Hi, Gaurav.
Hello, Gaurav.
So, no, I don't know. I did not know every language when I initially started out. I have done movies in Telugu and Tamil and in Hindi. Hindi is obviously a home turf, so it comes naturally to me. I'm a Punjabi girl and I live in Churchgate. And having said that, I've picked up Telugu over the past few years. I can now speak in Telugu. I can understand Telugu fluently. I am not very good with my conversational speech in Tamil, but I do understand the language now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Also, I mean, this is obviously the initial launch, but we will be dubbing it in other languages, so we can spread the message as far as we can.
I heard myself when I heard all of you guys laughing, hooting and clapping. It was awesome.
Thank you so much. And also, just before we conclude, I'd also like to thank a lot of people who are here right now. So this film is always a team effort. Obviously, I was lucky to get really talented actors like Kajan and Apar, but there are also a lot of people behind the scenes. As Aditya mentioned, Sagar Thakkar, Ankit Sharma, but there are a lot of people here also from Business of Ideas who have contributed in making this film, Siddharth Sharma, and so many other people, the music, everything. So I mean, I can't take all the names right now because we might have to sit here for 2 hours then, but I definitely like to thank them also. So thank you all very much. Why not? I think in this country, we need to do more social causes so people are active. Let's just look at the facts, right? Why do we have a shortfall of blood units in this country when there's so many people here? Because people are not aware and people are not active. If we can make a difference in any way, and the fact that Kajal and Apar also took out their time from their busy schedules to come and do this, I mean, that's very important. And I think it's good that we've done this film together. We hope it changes people's minds. And let me conclude it by saying this, that, you know, real power is not just ability to influence people's minds. Real power is the ability to influence people's minds in the for the greater good. And that's how I see it when I do my work. I didn't approach my family members because I wanted to do my work independently. आप तो जानते हैं अभी कितनी controversy चल रही है वैसे भी. So,
and in any case, now we are an extended family, so.
Apar Shakti, आप जब decided apart from acting, you will be doing social work and contributing to society. आप लोगों ने ऐसा सोचा कि वो विकी डोनर बने, आप ब्लड डोनर?
First thing you know, so, yeah, Vicky. Okay, yeah, of course. I mean, yeah, of course. As long, thank you so much, Kajal, for rescuing me again. पहले भी politically correct answer उन्होंने कर दिया suddenly. So yeah, of course. As long as I'm, you know, we both are contributing towards the society, I think तब तक सब कुछ perfect है. And
ये तो politically correct हो गया, जो असली है वो बोलिए ना.
नहीं यार यही है और इससे सच बात क्या बोलूँ मैं? मेरी आंखों में सच्चाई नजर नहीं आ रही थी.
करीब आओ तो दिखेगा.
I think यहाँ का खुराफाती इंसान ये है. इनको जानबूझ के बुलाया गया थोड़ा मसाला क्रिएट करने के लिए. But thank you so much, brother. Thank God we're not at a roast this thing yet. But thank you so much for the awesome question. But yeah, we've been doing a bit to you know give it back to the society. Not only on donation front. Me and my wife were running like where we used to stay in GK. We were doing a summer school for all the maids where they would come and you know learn English and Hindi from my wife and learn music and cook activities from me. So we were doing this every summer for 3 years back to back. Now that I've shifted to Bombay, I'll try to continue it here, but I'm very new to this city, so I don't know how things will shape up. Thank you. Thank you so much.
No, now, after this.
I think he was rather warming up with me and now coming the big question.
Hi, may I know your name?
Sumit Sharma from India TV.
Hi, Sumit.
I thought you were one of the students. You look so young.
Maska polish, हाँ? अब ये सब maska polish है.
मैं पूछ रहा था like, are the beautiful person have beautiful blood also like? So we can approach you for the blood.
I told you he was just warming up with me for a big question here.
So since so many things हमारे खून में है, I'm sure अब ये भी खून में ही होगा. I mean, मैं क्या बोलूँ? I am a regular donor. I donate blood very often. And maybe you should ask this question to the people who have donated. Maybe they'll be able to answer better.
And Mr. Uday, thank you so much for the enlightenment.
My pleasure, as always, Sumit.
उदय, मिस्टर उदय, हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि काफ़ी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स का जो इनॉग्रेशन या लॉन्च आजकल वेलिंगकर में ही हो रहा है. So are you collaborating with this या ये आपने पर्पस बना लिया अपना?
I am collaborating with short films, yes, but this is the first time I'm coming to Wellington. So you're not inviting me often.
So what do you want to say, sir? Do you want to say something?
So I haven't started collaborating yet, but yeah, we'll think about it. Let's figure it out.
तो मैंने उनसे पूछा था.
अब देखिए, अच्छा 1 minute.
In fact, the credit for this goes to Aditya, my alums, and my students who work together as a part of our media entertainment film.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for asking the questions on behalf of everyone.
Thank you so much for coming here. जितने लोग फिल्म देख के हंस रहे थे उससे ज़्यादा आपके क्वेश्चन देख के हंस रहे थे. आई एम सेइंग इन अ गुड वे. यार मैं बहुत पॉलिटिकली इनकरेक्ट इंसान हूँ. मैं बहुत सीधा ऐसे दिल से बोल देता हूँ. You were bang on. Thank you so much. Not only him, for everyone. You know, each and every person who's present here and supporting this cause, from Tata Memorial to Aditya to Uday sir, the shoot pe bhi the. We were chilling with him at this shoot during lunch, and Kush and Kajal both, thank you so much for making me a part of it and tolerating me the other day and today as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So on this note, just a minute on behalf. Thank you.